So how do you convert a slow motion video into a normal video on the iPad? Let me show you how it works. And if you are new here and first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So when you go to your iPad's camera, you can of course switch from the regular video mode to the slow motion. So that's going to work, and you can of course change the resolution as well as the frame rate. So you can capture at 120 or 240 FPS. But the point is that you can perform, all of the moves with the camera and just capture the slow motion footage. And then inside of the gallery, you'll be able to view it, and it's gonna be behaving like some parts of the clip are gonna be fast, and some of them are gonna be like slower. That's like the point of this. So you can customize it by tapping the edit button, and right below the sort of like timeline where you can like crop it from each side. You can also adjust which part of the image is supposed to be slowed down. You have it indicated by the lines, like the vertical ones, and you can decide where the slow motion part begins and where it ends. But you can also just put it all together like so, and basically decide that it's not gonna have the slow motion part at all, and then the video will be in the full, the speed, everything's gonna look natural. So that's how you can play around with it. And of course you can change it and adjust it anytime you want, but this is the best way for me to like adjust the slow motion into the regular speed. But if you want to be a bit more professional with it, you can also import the clip into the video editor like CapCut, where you can adjust the speed, and it depends on how slowed down the clip is, but you can bump up the speed to like 2x or whatever you have available, and you can make it go back to normal. So that's what I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know if it worked on your iPad as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next videos as well.